pag may tumatawag sa kanya Aiza, na ano siya, na-frustrate siya. And then, even our daughter, kasi siguro has been a witness to his frustration. Ano yan, nakikipag-away yan talaga sa iba. Why are you calling my dad with his dead name? Kasi ganon siya. That's your dead name, dad. Pero Aiza is 35 years of his life. And a lot of people, he was born to that persona. So yung taong kilala siya as Aiza, hindi ibig sabihin, hindi siya tinatawag na Ice, hindi na nila nirerespeto si Ice. So, nagkaroon si Ice ng mas malawak na perspective doon at understanding. So, you also have to shift your mindset na, halimbawa, matanda, natutuwa naman sa relationship namin. Tapos, tinatawag kami mag-asawa. Pero Aiza pa rin tawag sa kanya. Na ano niya yun, na nakita ko kung paano niya niyakap din yun. And I think that's the reason also why, ito, syempre, di ba, meron siyang bagong album, Being Ice. What is Being Ice? Being Ice is also embracing the Aiza that he was in those years, and thanking Aiza also for being able to endure all of those experiences also para makarating siya sa identity niya ngayon.